Hi guys! I'm here again. I'm Morena Ngunit Analu in your screen.
I gave you my heart.
And for today's video, I'm gonna unboxing my GoPro Hero 7. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. So, here's it. This and this cheese. This one. There's my memory card. And I just want to thank a very special friend who buy this to me and delivered it to me here in our house. Make a shout out to Jenny thank you kaayo. Kaya natukad yun ako ang akong wish nga mabay ni siya. I've been wishing to God this for it's like how many months now. And I'm very thankful kasi nandyan ta. At binili mo siya para sa akin. Because you know the reason why I can't buy it online. Basta thank you jud kaayo. So is it? Here's the, of course, receipt. See? The receipt. And the warranty receipt. So, we're gonna keep this. Kaya basin og maunsa ang camera, pwede na kang ipaayo. Pangitaon jud nilang resibo nga beshi. Manang itago na ko na siya. Ikabad ko na ikabad. Gonna keep this. So, let's proceed. So, here's the camera. We're gonna unboxing it. I'm so excited. So, let's open it. 1, 2, 3. So let's open this. Kailangan natin na siya. Kabalata sa guidelines sa iyahang open kaya basta magupa. So this one. Some papers. And of course adapter. Wire adapter. And some parang sa ano na siya, sa helmet or tripod, I don't know. You just put it here. So it's another thing. It's empty inside. And of course we're gonna make this one. See, I'm gonna open this. Put it up. Press and push. So I'm gonna open this because I want to try it. Gahit siya base. Nothing happened. Take it. And open it. then this one. So here's the 4 memory card. So you're gonna put the memory card like this, like this. Here's the memory card. I'm gonna remove it and put it inside. So I want to try it now to see kung nindot ba jud siya o kalabasan. Oh, nahirapan mo pa ako eh. Ayan. So, here's it. Gonna put it here. I love it. Okay, sige-sigahon na to itong mata niron para masulod. Ang hapat ha. So, saan man natin meron? Squeezy guys. Ang liit niya. Tapos, kailangan nga di siya baliktad pag sulod. Kaya kung baliktad, matay lang. Hopefully, it's good. Put inside. So we're gonna open it. Let's try it. It's open. It's open. See. Like this. So let me see it. Kalisod ba ng haptaoy English mamali ko pindot ani ron English. See, English. By using this grupo, I agree to the terms of use available at grupo. Agree. Install the grupo on your phone. Follow up. Kailangan pa akong mag-install sa aking phone. Yes, I guess. So let's do this. GoPro. Where is it? Play Store. GoPro 7. See, it's downloading. So, maghihintay ako sa iyo hanggang sa matapos ka. Matulog din tani, matulog. Oh, good guys. 16% pa siya. Diyos ko Lord. May pa mag-iihi, may paspas pa man, pusog pa man. Una, maghanggot ko ano ron. Oh guys. Pula-pula pa. Yo. Ayan. It's installing. Dali, be. Lupit pa may baonin mo, oy. May pang bao magpanikad. Mana? Lord, tabang mga langit, pagdali. Makapangaut, mamputagway katulin mo, oy. Pagdali. Six, 78, 99, installing. Stop. Gonna open it para malaman ko kung saan nato siya pag next connect group connect enable allow, please turn on to finder. Okay, please turn on your Bluetooth to find your camera. So now yun. So we turn on. Guys, balik ang bako. Ayun, kamanig. Wait, internet. Wait, kasalan mo. Parang hindi ko siya makalaita. Wow, ganda. Lord, kasi mo desi. Hindi ka sakit tawag ba? Okay, hot tap. Okay. Dito. And this Bluetooth receiver okay. Bakit hindi ka ano? See? I already installed it. problema mo? GoPro up. Bakit di ka ma-open? Problema mo. Follow up instruction to connect your camera. Kailangan pa siya i-update. Ito, naman paano mga beses mo ito? Diyos ko Lord, Diyos ko Lord. Ready. Tuog na lang ka, matuog. No?
Natulog yan ka, besh. Pagpit, umawati naman. Pwede ko siya back-link, besh. Kailangan ko mo siyang i-install sa... Kailangan ko mo siyang i-install kung download ka o GoPro apps sa iPhone para ma-update siya. Hindi siya. Nawala ko siya news. Sorry naman. Ganit ko lang. Sorry mga besh. Yung naman. So, I'm waiting for it to be updated. And it's... Tara! I'm going to accept and continue transferring this Wi-Fi network as internet. Just... What? Transferring files? No, that's not meant to transfer. Why? Why transferring apps? Not transferring apps. No, wait, stop. Stop. Transfer na kami sa membership. Ano ulit na ulit mo? Yeah. Pero kung matinod, kung saan naman, gusto Lord. Tulog na sa kanin. Hindi ko dali. Gusto. Bilis-bilis mga beshi, bilis-bilis. Bilis-bilis. Tutulog ko siya, tutulog. And the update is going to be commercial return to normal. Don't leave the app. There you go. So we update. There you go. Power off and on. Computer and soon the update. So be commercial return to normal. Control. See. Kabukalo. Ano na ba siya? Ang dali. Grabe lahaw lang ito. Ilag lang sa kanan. GoPro wants to disable. Let's try again. Yun siya. So, ang dali. Update complete. So, let's go. But the rest of the video cover at the bottom screen. Okay. This is the option. Change the creative and close. So I'm going to put it option. Then the base and I'm going to move it. Okay. Like to do. Gimana? Serius? Gue yang ilung. Mana ada ilung kita? Kamu kayak ilung. See? Gue yang normal. Check your media. Check the storage. Check here. No, not you. Dito na naman tayo. No media yet. Right. I hear. Got it. Why it's blurred? See? Ilong. Sorry naman. Ayun, i-focus ako ilong. Okay. Hi everything. Hi everything. Ayun. So we're really gonna put it back. Ang sound nito pag butang balik. Kaya ba siya mamali ko? Like, no. This. like this, this, and this, and this, and this, like this, like this, Aywa. See? Huwag kang. Ano siya, guys? Ayan siya. Okay na siya. Okay na siya. Tarara. So, ayan siya, guys. Ayan siya. So, it's okay. Pero kailangan ko siyang ipa-improve. Siguro may something dito siya sa kailangan kang gawin sa phone mo to improve it or whatsoever. I'll gonna check it later. So, yun siya. So, this is it. My GoPro 7. Wait. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye. Please, I'm begging you. Please, guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel for another video, para updated ka sa sunod na mga videos. Thank you, guys. Love, and keep safe always. And God bless you always. Oh, one thing. I'm gonna say this. To those, like, parang nagda-doubt na sila sa sarili nila or nagda-doubt na sila sa mga pangyayari. I'm gonna say this. Do your best and God will do the rest. Okay? Bye. Thank you for watching. Love.